everyone, welcome to another set of hair hack videos. Take your hair, tie it in the form of half ponytail and do plaits. Then take hair from all the three sides of your head and insert it inside that pigtailed hair. Do it properly and cleanly. After doing so, secure it with a rubber band. Your hair and tie it in the form of half ponytail. Then take the rest of the part of your hair and secure it with a rubber band. Divide it into two, make plaits, roll it upwards in a crisscross manner and secure it tightly with a bobby pin. You're done. Take your hair, divide it into two. Make a high ponytail with both the parts of your hair. Carefully insert it in the side a rubber band just like this. Then take a crisscross part of the hair and insert it properly on both sides respectively. Secure it tightly with a rubber band. Then roll the upper part of the hair just like a circle to make it look like this. Take the remaining part of the hair and do the crisscross manner and secure it with your favorite looking rubber band. Make a high ponytail of your hair and tie it in the form of a knot. Then take the remaining part, twist it and secure it with a rubber band. Then take another part, repeat the same process of tying it as a knot. Then put it upwards and secure it properly with a bobby pin, giving it a fluffy and casual look. Repeat the same process again. Then take the remaining hair and tie it in the form of plaits. Just roll the plaits upwards in the form of circle to make it look like this. Secure it with a bobby pin. Take your hair, tie it in the form of ponytail. Make it look like a ribbon. Then take both parts of your hair and tie it in the form of plait, just like this. Give it a fluffy look by pulling out few strands of the hair from the sides. Give it a ribbony look by pulling four parts of the hair and giving it a circular look. Then roll the plaits inwards and secure it tightly with a bobby pin. Give it a crisscross look. Take your hair and tie it in the form of half ponytail. Then divide the ponytail into two and make plaits out of both the parts. Then roll both the plaits upwards in the form of circle and secure it to the upper part of your hair. Then take the rest of the remaining part and then do it like this. How beautiful it looks. Take a small part of your hair and do lower ponytail. Give it a ribbony look, put it through the cap and then you're done. See how easy it was. Take one part of your hair, tie it in the form of half ponytail. Take a moon-shaped rubber band and then secure it properly just like this. See how pretty it looks. It was so easy. Thank you for watching.